So, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
evening.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening.
evening. Good evening.
Okay. So now, Trisha will be recapitulating the previous session, means previous class.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening. Yes.
Good evening.
Everyone
evening.
understood the last comic class session?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Anyone could explain me about the last class?
This is Dhruvita.
Yeah.
In last class, we have learned to create an comic in Canva. First, we have to go for search and take an box.
Yeah.
Then we can insert the images on the topic which we want. And then we should go to speech bubbles and type inside that something.
Yeah, okay, good. Then, okay, stop, Dhruvita. Lakshika. Lakshika, are you there?
Yeah.
So you can continue from where Dhruvita had stopped.
We can take the speech bubbles
Yeah.
and we can type what we need about the topic.
Yes, tell.
Then we want to insert the pictures which we need about which topic we are doing.
Yeah.
Then which poster and we should go to elements.
Yes, tell.
And we should type what we need the topics and to write what the topics is telling about that speech bubble.
Yeah, okay. Then?
That's all.
That's all. How did you create the last assignment?
That I was not having the phone. My sister has created. Now I created and send it.
But it's not good, but you only have to create. You have to try to create, no?
But my mobile has been not correct. I gave to shop.
So only you have did that or your someone?
My sister.
Your sister had sent you.
Yes.
So from next time, don't do. You try to do. If there is any issue with the mobile, inform sir and take time and do it, okay?
I did now. I send it. You see.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Now I will briefly explain what you learned in the next class. So after opening Canva, you have to go to templates to select the background, or you can go to elements and select for shapes. After that, you can adjust the shapes of your recommended size. After that, for when you are doing comic, characters are most important. So for characters, you can go to elements and you can search like boy, school girl, or anything as based on your topic. Then you can place in your comic page. After that, if anyone has to speak in comic page, it would be represented by a speech bubble. So for speech bubble, you have to go to elements and select, and you have to type speech bubble. There will be a varieties of speech bubbles, so you can select any best one, and after clicking there, it would be applied on a page. So you can minimize the size and you can apply where you want. Then for texting, you can click the text option. Then you can select a subheading. After that, you can type what you want as based on your topic. After that, you can minimize that text and you can place that inside the text speech bubble properly. After that, it's all about the comic what you learned at the last class. Still now, anyone has doubt?
No.
No.
No. No.
No.
No.
Okay, did everyone understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Before downloading, you can click on the share option, then click on download, then it will be downloaded. You can see in your files or downloads, then you can share it to your friends. So this is all about the last session. So thank you. Now I hand over to Yuga brother for today's session.
Thank you, Trisha. So in today's session, we are going to create a video using Canva. I'll be showing you how to create a video. So is my screen visible? So I'll be sharing my screen. Hmm. Yes. You can search Canva. For Canva, select create a design. Here the various types of like Instagram post, portrait, art, square, or presentation. It will be appear. I'll be choosing Instagram post portrait. So hmm. So I'll be going, and you can in the designs you can select whichever the designs you need. So I'll be selecting this. So if you need this text, if you don't want this text, you can remove. If you need means you can. So just I'll be removing this. Then I'll go for elements and I'll choose a frame. Now here we can go to uploads. We can select our WeJump logo and we can drag here. So next go for text options. What we have learned through we WeJump should be in one word. WeJump. So then, oh sorry, we have learned through WeJump. So if you want to change the text font means you can change the text font. Yeah. So if you want to change the color, you can change the text color. I'll be choosing it. Here you can add 2000 things, 2022. Want, as I said, you can change the text colors. So, some can select now the text color got changed. Next, here you can choose another different design, whichever you want. So I'll select this one and I'll remove all these things. Remove these things. So just a minute, I cannot remove this. Instead of it, try to take another design on that. I'll be taking this and remove all this. So then you can go to elements. So here you can add a frame to an exact shape, or however you want, you can add like that. So I'll be adding like this. So for middle one, on the left corner one, corner right. Here I'll be adding so far what we have learned from WeJump. First I'll add Canva, then Scratch, then I'll add ChatGPT, then MIT App Inventor, then Python. So you can choose another design which you like. I'll select this one. So after this, you can give a brief explanation of that particular applications. Go for elements, choose a frame. So then go for uploads. First about Canva and go for text. Type Canva. If you want to change the font style, means you can change it here. If you want to change the color text, you can change it here. So next, you should give a brief explanation of Canva. So I'll be giving that I have learned this application through WeJump. So after giving this, we can give a brief explanation of it. So like about 15 to 20 words. So now I'll be giving that full stop. So Canva is an easy to use graphic, yeah, graphic, um, graphic design tool design tour. Mm, ah, I'll be giving this much. So if you want, you can enlarge it and you can change the text. Hmm. So next, same in elements, I'll be choosing a frame and here I'll go to uploads, then about scratch. Next, so I type scratch. So mhm, mhm, I'll be changing this color and the font style of it. Same, I have learned this application through sorry, through WeJump. After this, we should give a brief description about it. So just write it as Scratch is a beginner friendly programming platform. So, hmm, so I'll be changing this text color. Here you can change the text color and select it to green. So next, I'll select this design and I'll remove these things. What is there? Then go for elements, choosing the shape frame. Then I'll go for uploads. Then I'll add chat GPT. Going back to text, adding as chat GPT. I'll be changing its color. Next, going back here, and the same I learned this application through WeJump. WeJump. So then you can give us chat GPT is an AI tool. GPT some AI to text color. I'll make it as next. I'll be choosing a different design. Sorry. So I'll be deleting this one. Going back to elements and taking this frame. Going back to uploads. And I'll take MIT app inventor. Products. MIT. Sorry. App inventor. Sorry. So here after typing MIT app inventor, so like you can select a different font style. So yes, sorry, inventor. I'll be selecting a different font style here. I'll be selecting this one times New Roman and I'm changing color of text. So then you can give here I learned this application through WeJump. Then after this, you can give a uh, brief description about it. So I write that it lets user user to create create easily mobile create easily so mobile appli applications. Oh, be changing this one. Okay. I'm adding this color. Next, we have last one. Mhm. For this, I'll be choosing this remote, whichever I know it. Go for elements, choose a frame from it, upload, then Python. Sorry, just a minute. Uh, Yes. We're deleting this for elements and adding this frame here. So I'll go back to upload and I'll add a Python logo here. Then going back to text, adding Python. Python. So here you can choose a different you can choose a different color. Then you can different font style for it. Then the same I have learned this application through WeJump. Then I'll write the Python is a high level programming high level programming language. That's it. Then next you can create this like video. As I said, you can see here animate option, right? Click there. So select the text or logo which you want to animate. So select this and you can here the different types of animations are available. So you can choose whatever you want. So I'll choose this, and for logo, I'll choose wipe since 2022. So scratch. So GPT we have here. You can go on. Doing this next Canva. Stop. Canvas typewriter. This is block. We have scratch. Scratch. Here I'm selecting the word. Next. Stop. Yes. Yeah. MIT App Inventor. Photograph. merge. So now so after this, you can go and see the video, your video here, what you have done here. So it will be showing the video what you have created like this. So you can create a video like this by using the application Canva. So I'll stop sharing my screen.